Hey, hope you all are doing well, and today I have this 3-tier stand printer, and this thing is actually really cool. So I got it staged up here. I'm gonna put this up in my office, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at what this looks like with everything set up. So I actually have an Epson printer up top, and you can see that it does fit really well and has a lot of room to sit on here. This part just extends off, but I can actually just push it back a little bit more. It fits really good, and on the bottom, it's actually a multi-purpose here. I put a little setup here so I could put some folders and files, and this is see-through graded, so it's really light, so you can move this around very easily. It's not very heavy at all. Also on the bottom, I have a little money counter here. Was able to fit this on the shelf. These are adjustable. They have a couple different hole slot options here where you can put these shelves, so if you don't like it super low, you can raise this up, so on and so forth all the way through, and it gives you a nice curvature right here to where you can stick your hands in there if you do need to put a printer on this side as well. I love this rustic look, guys. This is a really nice finish, and it doesn't scratch very easily at all, which is really nice. It makes it very durable, and you know it's gonna last a long time. We get the black powder coat. This is a matte black finish, and another thing that I do like about this is the legs are adjustable on the bottom, but you can put these on if you don't want it to move and stay in the same spot, or the kit also comes with 4 of these, and they have a 360-degree spin, as you can see there. And then we also get a nice, really easy lock right there. So if you do need to pull this around in your office, in your home, wherever you're at, you can move this very quickly because it is light. And that surface on the top does provide a decent amount of grip with these printers. And usually there's like rubber on the bottom of the printers so they're not sliding around. I'm really happy with this so far, and I do love the fact that it's just slim and compact. You can actually get a wider one too. They do have an option for probably double the size, if not 1.5 in width. So if you need to fit maybe 2, or you have a wider printer, that is an option as well, but this could be absolutely perfect for my office. And I do have a lot of the rustic look in wood, so it's gonna match absolutely perfect. But if you're looking for something to store this, it's a great height. I highly recommend it. Whenever I grab the paper from here, it's definitely really nice, and I don't have to bend down at all. Usually it's hard to find a place for a printer to stay, so if you get a dedicated spot, it keeps it up in the air. It also gives you a nice storage with a lot of nice modern touch to it. This thing's really cool. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.